I received a beautiful donation from Flying Squirrel Soapery, and that's Anna. She said that this is for me. Let me see if I can bring you out a little bit. There we go. And I'm going to open that in just a minute. Look at these cute little houses. These are absolutely adorable. And do you see her label? Isn't that so cute? I asked her about it, and that's her dog. That's what she calls her dog, the flying squirrel. Such a cute little thing. Look at these. How pretty. What a nice job. These are really, really pretty. I really like these a lot. Okay, here, ooh, this is called, oh wait a minute, this one is called Pumpkin Patch. Makes sense. And this is called Caramel House. This is called Autumn Walk, and this is a beer soap. Look at how pretty the leaf is on that. Really nicely done. Colors are great. Really neat. Look at how cute. This is an ornamental, it says ornamental spice artisan soap. So this could be used on, oh my gosh, what an idea that would be, is to have a soap tree. How cute would that be? And these are little ornaments that you could put on your tree. Oh, that would be so cute. She's got candy canes. That's called candy cane. And it's a nice mold too. It's a good size. Really nice. Here, pumpkin roll body cream. Oh my gosh, that smells heavenly. Oh my goodness. That smells great. And this is a whipped body butter. Wow. If it smells anything like this, it's amazing. Okay, and here we have Winter Rose. What a beautiful soap. Very, very wintry. See that? She's got little roses on the top. Can you see them? And the color is so pretty. That blue is gorgeous. This is a snowflake. I have to open it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Can you see that? All nice and whipped up. So pretty. Okay. She said this was a headband, and I'm just now growing my hair out a little bit again, so this is going to be nice. This is a face scrubby. Beautiful colors. Okay. This is the body cream. She sent me one of those. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. Oh, a sandalwood body cream. Oh my goodness, that smells great too. I'm gonna try that on the other one. Goodness, that feels so nice. And I don't know if you see that. I don't think you can. I barely touched the top of it, and it just really went all over my whole entire hand. Beautiful product. Okay, so here's the whipped body butter. She gave one to me. Oh, you know what? This one is open, so I'll trade her. I don't think she'll mind. Okay, I'm gonna have to try this one. Oh, that's great. Just put it on the upper part of my arm. Oh my gosh, that fragrance is heavenly. I love it. Oh, and then she gave me one of the soaps. Look at how nice. What a beautiful gift. Thank you so much, Anna. These are absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for your generous gift. And thank you so much for blessing so many other people. We haven't gone to the women's shelter yet, and these are going to be adored. This is absolutely amazing. Thank you so, so much. Thank you all for watching. God bless you. Have a great day, and and we'll see you next time.